Welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Down here at the dry riverbed again. We brought our little 24 scale cars with us. Got Opa Ricky, Sweet Mama, and of course me. So we're gonna go have some fun and see you guys there. No, that'll make a huge difference.
Okay.
So we came here one day, all of us were standing here the next day, and we knocked it all down. Like ever since you told me? I'm sorry. Ha! Hopefully this just caught that.
You see that?
That was cool looking.
Oh, you got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Won't you flow last time?
Oh,
Yeah, babe.
Oh.
What are you trying to do, my brother? Yeah, first try. Oh, that was cool, wheelie.
You crawl up that, huh, Robin?
No, I didn't crawl up it. I fucking juiced it up it.
Ah, that was sad.
Oh.
That was cool. I got the Betty. Body lift.
Oh.
Yeah, babe. The other Betty. Come on, Deadbolt. Jeep. Oh, yeah.
Oh. You totally got it, Dad. Keep going. Yes, Dad, you did it. Good job, Opa.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We had a wonderful time. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, leave us a comment. Till next time, thanks for watching.